Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll discuss about, comments in Python. Comments plays a very important role in a Python. In a Python, comments are like a notes or a documentation you write in your code that interpreter is going to ignore. They are only for humans. You and other developers can look into that to understand code better. So let's say you are writing a code and you want to comment out like what you are doing, or you just want to comment in every step like what exactly is happening so that you can refer to that bit later, or if somebody is looking into your notebook, even they can look into those documentation and they can understand what's happening with this particular code. So that's where comments plays a very important role. Okay, so there are three different types of comments which you have to learn. So let me just give a heading like types of comments. Any idea what are the different types of comments? The first type of comment is, single line comment. And the second type of comment is inline comments. And the third type of comment is multi-line comments. Okay, so these are the three different types of comments we have in a Python. Let's explore one by one. Any idea what a single line comment? Well, in the name itself, it says that single line comment in the sense writing something in one single line. Single line comment in the sense documenting or writing notes in a single line. So I can say commenting in single line. If you're commenting anything, if you're writing any documentation, any notes related to a code in one single line, okay, we just call it like a single line comment. And you know what? Commenting in single line, and in order to comment in a single line, we use hash symbol. Use hash for commenting single line. Okay, so now let me show you like how exactly it's going to work. Like if you want to comment out in a single line, we just need to use an hash symbol. Okay, so this is a code cell. Let's say I just want to perform addition of two numbers. I'll just say like A equals 10 and I'll say B equals 20. And then I'll just say like a print A plus B. If I run this code, this is going to give me addition of two numbers, right? Which is 10 plus 20 is, 30. So now I just want to comment something related to this code. So what we are performing here, we just need to find addition of two numbers. We need to find addition of two numbers. This is going to be like, single line comment. You can comment anywhere, like, you can comment at the top or you can comment at the bottom. Hope this is clear. So the next type of comment, we call it like, inline comment. What is inline comment? What if you want to comment? What if you want to comment next to the code? Or what if you want to comment in a code line? What if you want to comment next to the code, or what if you want to comment in a code line itself? So that's where we use a concept called as, inline comment. So what do you mean by that? Let's say this is my program. Let me take up a same program, A equals B, B equals 20. And let's say I just want to comment here, right after your code, like, addition of A and B. Let's say I want to comment here, like, define A value as 10. See, we call this as inline comment. Just use an as symbol and just write whatever comment you want. Define a value B as 20. See, if you document like this, if you comment like this, when you see a code after some days, it's easy for you to understand like what you have done. Even if somebody is looking into your notebook, again, it becomes easy for you. And this is useful since you'll be doing your machine learning projects. And if you want to comment out anything along with your code, just to make it like, explainability, more readability wise. So in that case, comments plays a very important role. Okay, the next type of comment is multi-line comments. So multi-line comments are very simple if you want to comment out in multiple lines. If you want to comment in multiple lines, we're just gonna use, multi-line comments. So there are two ways to, define multi-line comments. One is using triple single quote, another one is using triple double quotes. Okay, use triple single quotes like this. Triple start with triple single, closer to a triple single. And other way around is you can just use triple double quotes. You can also use triple, double quotes like this. So these are the ways, and there is one more way. If you have a multi-line comment, you can also use ash for every line. Just keep using ash for every line. So that's going to be the multi-line comment. Let's say you want to comment out something in a paragraph kind of thing. Okay, let's say something, I just want to perform an addition. So first way I'll show like commenting for each line. I need to perform addition, I need to perform subtraction, and then I need to perform a division. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll define A equals 10, and I'll say B equals 20. I just need to perform print A plus B, print A minus B, and then print A by B. See, I'm performing multiple operation and it's giving you, result without affecting your code. See, this is just a comment. We had written comment in multiple lines, and for every line I'm using an ash. Same thing can also be written with the help of a quotes. Very simple. So instead of using ash, just start with, triple single quote. Start with triple single quote and end with a triple single quote. Again, this is another way of, defining your multi-line string. Sorry, not multi-line. It's like multi-line commenting. If you want to comment out something in multiple lines, use either triple single quotes or triple double quotes. See? Without affecting your code, it just ignores. Interpreter is just ignoring. It's just for human. It's only for us for understanding like what's happening in that particular code cell. Okay, so this is all about comment. Happy learning.